Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add video in Google Docs. So first, open up Finder and go right here to My Drive. Then select the video that you want to give into your Google Docs and transfer it to your drive. In your drive, when the video is uploaded, you should see it right here. Click on these three dots next to it and click on Share, then Share again, and then simply click on Restricted and select anyone with the link. Then copy the link, so click on it and press Done. Go back to your Google Documents and press Command V or Ctrl V if you are on Windows, and then press Tab, so the video is replaced with this. And now your video is embedded in Google Docs. Just simply click on this and it should take you right to the video. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial